By doing just this, your downy will yield 12 liters. It won't lose its consistency nor its perfume. If you like it, let me know from which city you are following this video. Let's take some soap and grate it on the grater. After that I will transfer the grated soap into a pot. Add 1 liter of water. Let's let this soap boil until it melts completely. It takes about 10 minutes. It's very quick. Now that it has melted, I'll turn off the heat and wait for 1 hour. It's cooled down and stays like this here. Let's add it to the blender and beat it well. As soon as it is mixed in the blender, let's put it in a bowl or basin. Now let's give the 500 milliliters downy, which yields up to 2 liters. Put it all together with the soap. Mix everything very well. We are going to add little by little another 2 liters of water. You keep adding and stirring. With this recipe you will save a lot. I will now add drops of food coloring, to make it look even more similar. Now I'll mix it again and let the downy rest for about 3 hours. It's a little thin here, but as it rests, it gains consistency. Guys, my downy has stabilized. Now I'm going to put it in this 3-liter bottle of Coke. And look at the consistency of this product. Filling a 3-liter bottle yields up to 12 liters of softener, folks. I am sure that if you do it, you will never stop making this recipe, because it is very useful. To finish this video, I'm going to pass on a message that is in Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In that verse God asks us to love Him, to trust Him with all our hearts. After all, He is good all the time. He doesn't give us anything by halves or that could harm us. Only the Father knows what, when and how we need. So trust God with all your heart and in every aspect of your life. Let Him direct your life. Thank you for watching this far. Until the next video. Bye bye.